Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver is moving for a particular week, and now what the price of silver can move next week. As we know that the price of silver is moving in a particular range, what we have seen that the price of silver has made a new high on around in the in first week. Okay, I'll tell you the high also, it's around 30, but after that what is it made a sharp decline, and from there it is in this particular range. After breaking the range at this resistance point, note down this resistance 26.57, and then it came down. Okay, it came down and another came down and made a low of around 24, and from there was in this particular range, and then again made a low of 24.37. So now what you have to understand is that whenever the price moved down and made a new high, then it comes down, and in this particular range you can see it made a new low and then moved up and moved in a particular range. Now see, I'll show you here also, it made a new high, came down, and then moved in a particular range, made a new high, move down, move the particular range. This is what you have to understand. Now suppose if the price of silver moves up above 25.33, okay, and stays above that, then the next support we can see is at around 25.8. next resistance we can see is at around 25.8. okay, the next target, and if it stays more than this of this, then we can see that it can touch a level of 26.37. okay, once this is touched, the next resistance or next target we can see is around 26.67. okay, after that what we can see that it can touch a level of 26.86, and once this target is achieved, the next target we can see is at around 27.11. once 27.11 is touched, then the next we can see is at around 28. it can touch a level of 28. once 28 is touched, then we can see, because this is the two supports or resistance, we can see that it can touch a level of 28.72. once 28.72 is touched, then we can expect it can touch a level of 29.2. once 29.2 is touched, then it can make a new high. okay, that is around, once it break 29.98, after breaking 29.28, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 30.11, and then it can cross a good high and make a new high. So this is what I want to tell you in there. Once, or suppose if the price of silver moves below 24.89 and breaks a resistance at a point 24.37, once if it comes below this level, okay, 24.9, and if stays below this level, then we can see a target of 24.39. once this is touched, we can see a strong support at this level. the next target we can see, once it breaks a level of 24.39, we can see a target of 24. once 24 is touched, then we can see that it can break a new low and can make a new low of around 23.8. once 23.8 is touched, then we can see that it can touch a level of 23.5. once 23.5 is touched, then we can see the next level is at around 22.8. okay, once 22.8 is touched, the next target we can, next immediate support we can see is at around 22.53. once 22.53 is touched, the next support we can see is at around, the next target we can see is at around 22.38. once 22.38 is touched, then the next target we will be looking at around 21.88. once 21.88 is touched, then we will see that it can touch a level of 21 also. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you, that once I want to tell you, once 22 is break, 22.5 is break, then we can see a level of 22.8. okay, this is I wanted to tell you. Okay, so this is what you have to understand once, because this is the level we can see. Okay, at 22.5, and then we can see a level of 21.9. once 21.9 is touched, then because we can see a strong support at this level, once this is the break, then we can see a level of 21.7. once 21.7 is touched, okay, then we can see the next immediate support we can see it around 19, once 19.6. so this is what you have to remember, that once it breaks the level of 21.8, then we can 21 no, once it break a level of 21.6, then we can next support we can see that around 19.6. okay, what you have to, I am explaining this in order to understand that once you are in a profit of $2, suppose, so if it comes down to $1.5, then exit for the trade. Okay, or if you have any doubt regarding your position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or join my a telegram channel, link in the description, or you can attend my workshop. Please mail me, then we can attend, then you can arrange, I can arrange the workshop according to your time, or you can attend my webinars. Okay, so hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.